I have to fit 3 shelves into this tiny client shop, but the space is so small I can't even swing a hammer. Here's how I solved it. I'm using MDF for this build. First, I break the boards down into long pieces. With this homemade jig, you may temporarily forget a miter saw. It makes cross cut super easy on a table saw. The client needs this to hold the weight. I marked my levels and joined the frame using brackets. It's simple, but it is the strongest way to handle this layout. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. MDF edges look rough if you don't treat them. I'm sanding them smooth and using fast dry paint. This gives it a professional look without waiting hours for it to dry. Here is a pro tip for extra strength. I'm attaching small board pieces to the back of the shelf. This gives my nails a solid place to bite into the wall so the shelf never wobbles. Now for the hard part, mounting them to the wall. I can't reach the nails in this corner, so I use this simple homemade tool to hold the nail in place while I drive it in from a distance. It's a lifesaver in a tight spot. Even though you saw one build, I made 3 to fill the space. The client is happy and the shop is ready. If this tip helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more shop hacks. Thank you for watching.